Hi everyone, Mike here with Zap Glue, sitting down with the AMA, and we're talking about canopy glue. So for most of you out there that are building the model airplanes, this is a bottle of glue that's sitting on your workbench. It is a white glue, water soluble, cleans up, but it bonds virtually everything, especially the canopy, because it bonds your plastics well. It's highly flexible, so as that canopy flexes during flight, this is going to be able to hold that. As well as there's no fumes that come off of it. So as you notice, like with their CA glues, there's a poof of white fume that comes off of that could leave a film inside of the canopy, which is very difficult to clean off. That's where the canopy glue really shines. As this bonds and it cures, it's not going to leave any residue inside of the canopy. Once this is dry, don't consider this to be anything like your white Elmer's glues or things like that where it's very brittle. This is actually extremely flexible, can twist and so on and so forth. So if you don't have a bottle of canopy glue on your workbench, go ahead and pick one up and make sure that you have it for your next project.